Hey guys, what is up? This is Kajal. Welcome back to my channel. Wow, that was lame. Today I'm gonna be transforming myself into indie girl. If you don't know what indie girl is, it is a kind of aesthetic. I mean, I'm not trying to dress up like a particular person. It is a kind of aesthetic in which you wear whatever you want. Like mostly it is like oversized sweatshirts, tennis skirt, like you just wear whatever you want as far as I know, or I'll just insert the definition. I just noticed that when I'm speaking on my videos, my eyebrows are like this, and it looks like that I'm struggling to speak even one word, and this looks like I'm memorizing my skill, but it's not it, guys. Everything's natural. I do not have like any script or anything. I don't know why I make that face. Like I don't know what it is. I'm gonna improve this.
I never found you funny. I never found you entertaining. I never found you smart. I just found you annoying.
Okay, so I already did my base, like the CC. So I'm gonna be using all the indie girl makeup hacks that I've been seeing on Pinterest or TikTok compilation on YouTube, because we don't have TikTok. So what you do is like concealer, you just like यहाँ पे तो it is very normal, but यहाँ पे you apply it like this, like this. This is not at all a straight line. It's not even a line. And one thing, that if you're gonna use eyeshadow and if you don't have eyeshadow primer, just use a concealer here. Like I saw a bunch of TikTok compilation, like not a lot, because I can't do makeup for. I just picked all those easy hacks that I could do. So this was a concealer hack. Indie girl apply a lot of blush. I'm just obsessed with aesthetic because I don't really have a particular aesthetic, and it's quite embarrassing, but I think I quite connect with this aesthetic because I always wanted to wear whatever clothes I wanted to. So what you do is you apply your blush here, like all over the, not like all over the face, like all over here. I don't know if you can see, but I have applied a lot of blush, like a lot. I used to hate this, but I'm like, yeah, it does enhance your features. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it is a lot of blush. I'm kinda scared to do my eyeliner on camera. Like, I can't do makeup or anything, like you can already see. But I just know you have to apply it like this and till here. I don't know what to call it. Just if you're a makeup guru or anyway, just close your eyes because you're gonna cringe really very hard. Like these are not equal. Like your eyeliner should be twins. They're not even friends. You can also apply this blush over here, but I want my makeup to be a little bit glowy because I'm gonna wear sky blue.
What was that?
For this aesthetic. So I'm gonna apply this highlight. I should have applied this before the eyeliner. I finally got to know what can we do with these little tiny brushes. You can apply your eyeshadow with this. I just thought these were extras. I'm gonna apply the lightest blue that I have here. I just applied this lightest of blue like here and here. Also, you apply your blush here. Like, I know it may seem weird, but I kind of liked the aesthetic a lot. I don't know, I have a feeling that I'm gonna look like a Walmart version of an indie girl. Let's see. So the highlighter is gonna be this one to match the blush that I have used. The makeup is done, I guess, and this is the makeup that I saw on one of the TikTok compilations, and now I'm gonna go and dress up. So this is the top, guys. I'm gonna show you when I go outside. What I'm gonna do is I'll wear this band now. I look like a school going girl. So guys, this is the hairstyle, and there are a lot of other hairstyles and probably much better than this, but I'm thinking of doing a lookbook, indie girl lookbook, probably in the future. Indie girl aesthetic is in trend with the particular filter which I have never tried before, so I'm gonna try that also. It is in the app called Prequel, or I'll just write down the details of how you can also get that filter. So let me just see how I look in that filter. I have a feeling that I did a very terrible job, but let's see.